Chapter 11, Sloka 47. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam parandarshita yoga. Tejomayam Vishwamanantamatyam. Tejomayam Vishwamanantamatyam. Tejomayam Vishwamanantamatyam. Yanme tvadanyena na drishtapurvam. Yanme tvadanyena na drishtapurvam. Yanme tvadanyena na drishtapurvam. Tejomayam Vishwamanantamatyam. 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 Yanme tvadanyena na drishtapurvam. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya prasannena tavarjunedam. Rupam param darshitam yoga. Tejomayam Vishwamanantamatyam. Yanme tvadanyena na drishtapurvam.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.